डेंग्यू सारख्या दुयेंसाचेर उपाय काडपाक कठीण जाता कारण सरकाराच्या खात्यांमदीं समन्वय ना. ह्या दुयेंताचो नियाळ घेवन ताचेर उपाय काडपाक एक कमिटी स्थापन जातली म्हण म्हायती भलायकी मंत्र्यान दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Today's press conference is to send a clear message to the people that we are very seriously taking our responsibility. It is our duty as the health department to see that we create sufficient awareness and many other things, but also parallelly we have already written a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister, and I will be meeting Honorable CM today evening at 7 o'clock. Whole idea is to see that there is a interdepartmental committee, because under the Chief Secretary to be appointed along with Secretary Health, Secretary Panchayat and Secretary Urban Development. आमचे काम कितें आहा की आमी ट्रिटमेंट दिवप लोकांक, आमी अवेरनेस करप. फॉगिंग इज वन ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज विच इज नॉट एक्चुअली द मेन एक्टिविटी ऑफ द हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, बट सेम टाइम local bodies also have to take the responsibility and onus onto them. Urban Development Ministry has to take the onus onto them, because all stagnation of water, cleaning of drainages, all these things are of these various departments that they have to do. So overall we are doing our job, but same time we need the support of other departments to move forward in seeing that this thing is eliminated, and same time to see that all these water stagnation and all those other issue, and the role of the panchayat bodies also is important, municipalities is also important. So the role of the Secretary Panchayat, Secretary Urban Development and Secretary Health, this has to be in a coordinated manner. So we have proposed this. And I think the Chief Minister will agree to this, to have a separate small committee which will be under the Chief Secretary, since it's an interdepartmental exercise, so that the Chief Minister also can monitor it side by side. In addition, I want to make a mention is that NGT through we have got that order to issue for nearly close to, I think, 4,240 households, because they have been leaving sewage into the various rivers. Like, we have got the breakup here, is number of places and houses and individual people leaving water, leaving sewage in River Sal, in Talpona River, Mandovi River, Shapora River, Tirakol River, Zuari River, Khandepar, Asnoda, Valvanti River, Bicholim and Sinkirim. Panjim also we have issued 50-60. We have to also inform Honorable MLA Panjim, Mr. Babush Mansarat, and we have asked them to inform all the MLAs and representatives in all the 40 constituencies that, Baba, these are the things what we are doing. And also now we are taking strict action, because this is leading to the pollution of the river. The health officers, our department may become little unpopular because of these steps, but we are under the directions of the NGT, and NGT has told us to be very strict and to take this, and also our health officers and sanitary inspectors will be given strict instructions to see that this is implemented.